Why you go slap him now? Wait first, hold on. Why you go slap him? God is not punish me. God will not punish me. God will not punish me. Leave another wife.
I want you to call the police and arrest her.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, wahala be like bicycle. Hey, not be small thing. Not what we not go see for inside abule, my people. Hey, una know say one woman, a husband, they give her money. I don't be una for they see all those kind men. Husband, they give you 300,000 every month. He build duplex for your papa, for your family. You can still build your own duplex when he puts you, maybe they stay. What do they look for, my sister, again? What do they do hookup for? You don't know say people, you don't know say friends not dey this word. If friends can't go inform the man there abroad, tell him say your wife wey you dey spend money for, they do hookup everywhere. The man can't say na lie, you not believe. Or say you can't say me na CJ help and prank the woman. As when the girl come, designers na she wear, Versace, real one na she wear. I was like, really? You wear Chanel for the nika? I say, eh. So, man, they give you all those kind of things. What do they look for? They might even say last week, he just give her 500,000. My sister, what do they look for again? Everything does set now. What do they look for? Eh? My people, this girl, they call her for hookup. He say na 200,000 he want take. He reach there, come meet Nancy J and the friend. He say, he say na 12 now. Mona bring 300K. He say in a machine, even though na 20 guys they bring, he go do am. I was like, eh? What did it happen? Man, they give you money every day. Many guys not see that kind of thing, no. Anyway, you see all those men where they abroad, eh? May not the too pity for them for this kind of thing, more than no verse for comment section. May not the too pity for them because why? You know, una see we for this side, we may dey Europe here. Una not go marry them. Una go they look for graduate for Nigeria. Come see her now. See what the graduate don't do to you now. You shebi na cry you can't dey now. Upon everything you give her, she see the shit on you. They do cup everywhere. She even said last night. The ones where you go sleep with last night, not be small one. So that's good for you too. So make I put the video, make una see my people, make una help me share those video. Wanna let this video go viral. Like things they happen for this world, like serious.
People, what kind of jail is this now? What kind of So everything that people are telling me is actually true. What people are saying is really, really true. Nasty, see, I'm really pissed off about this thing. I'm really, really pissed off because I placed this girl on monthly salary. What is it that I've not actually done for? And I'm going crazy here. Like I'm going mad. What kind of jail is this now?
That is women for you. That's women for you, bro. That's
No. Nasty. Look, I wish I can just fly down to Nigeria to actually see everything for myself. I just wish, because if somebody had told me this now, when they tell me say my babe they cheat behind my back, I no believe. But Nasty, this is I can't believe this.
Don't worry. You will see the video. I'll send the video.
Wait. Let me tell you something. Do you know that last week this girl actually told me that she wants to make her hair, and I sent her 500K to make her hair and use the remaining money to flex.
See, that is one thing you should know. You cannot please woman, cannot please anyone.
How much bargain with her?
She said she's collecting 200K. So do you know the
what is 200K? What is 200K? I give this girl 300K every month. Every month I send this girl 200K. Outside that, I also give her money to take care of herself. I give her money to just flex herself and her friends, because I don't allow her to keep much of male friends, because I've been suspecting that she will having something to do with them. So I just allow her to keep female friends that will come visit her. But behind my back, this girl is still collecting common 200K. Nasty, do you know who I am?
Boss, just leave her.
I'm just so pissed off. Like I wish I could be in Nigeria right now. I would have taken the flight and come down to Nigeria to witness all this by myself.
No, while I see what is going to happen, no vex too much. We go end this thing for you so that I go do other preparation. So I go call you video call too, make you see am yourself. I will call you when she come reach. I will call you video call, make you see am
I'm going
yourself.
to try my best. I'm going to try my best to just be patient. But if I tell you that I'm not angry, I'm lying to you. If
Yes.
I actually see her on video chat, she will have to leave my house. She will leave everything. Today will mark the end of everything that we have together. It will mark the end of everything. Because if somebody had, they've been telling me, but I never believed. I trusted her. I trusted her with all my. Do you know what it means for me to travel out and be working hard for this girl, only for her to be back there in Nigeria collecting 200k for hookup? Why? Why now?
So no vex, no vex, no vex, no vex, no vex. Abuse gonna begging, no vex. So guy, I beg. Bye for now. We'll talk later. Thank you. Whether she don't reach. I don't even check time. 7 don't knock. Abi she dey flash. But she's hello?
Yes,
Yeah, far.
fine.
Where are you?
I'm at the reception right now. I don't know if I can give her the phone.
Give her phone so that let me talk to her.
Okay, no problem. Hello?
Hello, Alpha. Help me direct her to room 06.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay, so I put you in the room. I'm coming
Okay,
right
okay. I beg 5 minutes go high, 5 minutes. See. No, no, no enter there. She fit enter toilet. See, enter this place. Stand wait, stand wait, stand wait. She no see, shift yourself inside. Hi.
Hello, Richard.
How far?
I don't understand.
How are you?
Fine. Why are you guys?
I just can't sit together. Not supposed to complain
No,
now.
no, no, no. We didn't bargain for threesome, and now I'm seeing two guys.
But I never told you that we are doing trade. You know, if it's just my friend that is just keeping me company.
What will your friend be doing inside room where I come do hookup show?
Oh yeah, sorry. I'm actually calm down now. Not two of us on go, so I don't know if it's okay by the 200k. That is why I'm not even bother price because 200k can go for
So
two.
wait. Look at the way I'm dressed. You're telling me you want to give me 200k for threesome. Like, I don't understand. Like, if you want to give me 200k in this Asaba for threesome, who does that? If you're not ready for my own price, tell me, let me go.
Okay, how much is it? How much if we won't collect?
You be two, how? No, guy, no, just talk like that. Which one be you be two? It's supposed to be 400k, but I can give you discount for 400k.
That is money for one plot of land for my side.
Hey! It's like you're not serious. This is business. This is business. If you don't want to do it, let me know.
Like it goes like 3 days for you.
You go say wait, it's only for tonight, so
Yes, now. I'm quite expensive, so you have to pay.
okay,
Wow.
okay. That means we go do past 20 rounds.
No,
Which one be
you
okay?
just want.
Which one
If
be
you
just
want to do more than 20 rand, you transfer more money.
okay, anytime I want I will transfer money. Anytime I want I will transfer money.
Yeah.
Yes. Because it's my body you're stressing.
The body
Yes.
for 300k.
For 300k is stressing.
See, we have already talked about this price. You didn't tell me by right. You're supposed to transfer my money. I'm supposed to give. You didn't even tell me you have extra body here and you're still complaining. For 300k.
The money is not really the problem, Sha. The money is not really the problem. But I hope say go deliver. No one person wey go fence on
And
top
na
bed.
money dey push machine na.
Okay, na money dey push.
Yes, na when money dey na everything go dey flow well.
Okay. No be the one be say you go hear, I'm dying.
Me, I fit even carry 20 men. You never know me, never hear my name, never hear my scores for this asaba.
If you carry 20 men.
If you have another friend, Adam make the money big.
Oh, you really mean business. Oh, if I get another friend, may I call them?
Hey, Adam,
I bet okay, no. In fact, I call my niggas them. I go put score, make them call. Eh, choke. Don't worry, man. You say 600K, abi?
Yes, so.
600K. Remember my mobile app open.
This one your mobile app no dey open. No come do me fraud.
No be. You go see the money first before you come out now. Before we start. 300K. Homo. I don't buy land for village. Wow. All these things are congee custom. You don't be congee.
Don't worry, you won't regret this 300.
Call your account number.
80195506.
Which bank?
OP.
So you want carry OP chase 300K.
No, so OP network dey good well well.
You go call am now, can this OP no dey go?
Hey, wahala. No be OP I dey use collect my money.
The OP no dey go now.
You
no get another bank.
Okay, make I call my UBA. But I no carry that my UBA too much for head.
Yeah, check your phone now.
No, dey too keep those kind things for head. But I go check my phone first. All these boys.
No, see, we no be Yahoo boys, abeg.
No be Yahoo boys. Now you just land fast, but you dey find to do. Na so they do.
No, nah, you know say no bad thing we do to patronize you. It was even they tell us how much you want transfer, give person will link you up. Because you need to find that person.
Make a call my
call am.
39 97 33
79.
Yes, please confirm the name.
Precious Okonwa.
Yes, my name is that.
Oh,
Freshie
Mama.
Yes.
Freshie Mama General.
Hottest in Asaba.
Hottest in Asaba.
I dey deliver.
Okay, no wahala. Confirm abeg. I don't send that. Abeg confirm. Freshie Mama General.
I don't see am.
Okay, no wahala. So how we starting?
I go gas go change now.
Which one be gas go change? Which one language come be that one?
Hey! Something wey precious no go see. I said I go gas go change. I go start for una two front, una go look me wow. I go dey here change.
As they transfer the money, no look me wow.
Guy, that one na money oh, no be nakedness. I cannot stand in front of you guys and be changing. It's not done anywhere. Even other clients who I see last night, they don't stress me like, oh now, no near 200.
How much that client they pay you?
Clean cash. No be this one na just management. I just pity you, say make I come. No be say I just dey help you, just take am like that.
Oh yeah, it's alright. I know one day, abeg go. Sit up with their beg.
I go change. I dey come.
Go change now.
Just imagine. Auntie never change finish. Never change. How many hours you want use change? Which one come be when we see women our eye when they calm down? No be the as I transfer money for you now, my eye no calm down. Wow. So you don't marry? You don't marry? Now wow, sorry, oh. Okay, our personal life.
That one don't follow for business one. Married women no they enjoy themselves.
Okay, you now you come to
Just
it.
keep your clothes
If
there.
I leave your clothes there, now you can't jack your clothes.
Carry am go back now. I'm sorry. Carry am go now.
I be one carry the clothes, don't give us more try.
I don't understand.
Come and calm down now. I just a command person for ordinary 300.
They call 300k ordinary. Now the price are. Hot girl. Precious of us.
Mama.
Precious mama
And
of
my
us.
business slow. After today, go they won't patronize me.
Okay.
Okay now, I'm not talking now. Who they go first?
Okay.
Him go first.
No, you know Moga.
No, him.
So wait, I never debate who go first.
No, him go first now.
You Moga go now.
Make him go first. No, me and
Okay. Now you go come first.
You Moga go first now.
No.
go first now.
Now you go come first. No, start the work.
Moga don't command me. So Moga go first.
Hey, go first, go first.
No,
I dey busy now. And before you, I beg just wait first. I just call one of my guys. She thought say if we dey plenty, say he go still do join.
Machine like me.
Machine like it. Okay, see, I go want me talk to this person.
Jesus!
Precious. Precious. Oh, seriously, this is what you're doing behind my back. Wait, so Precious, everything they're telling me is true, Abby.
They see am now.
Last week, can you put this phone on last speaker? I really need to talk to her.
They see am now, Abi.
Precious. Precious, listen to me very well. What did I do to you, Precious? Listen to me. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Listen to me. Can you listen to me? Can somebody listen to me? Hey, Nasty G, I want you to carry police and arrest this girl.
Why you go slap am now? Wait first, hold on. Why you go slap am?
Why you go slap am? Because of ordinary 300k.
Which one is because of honor? Avoid everything wey your husband dey do for you.
Yes.
Wey your husband dey do for you.
My husband dey do for me. This is why you set me up like this.
Why you set me up?
Your husband has
your
it's not your business. It's not my married life. It's
your
your
marriage
business.
life. Your husband do something, build house for you. Even they pay you 200 to 300k. They give you money for hookup. They give you money. It's not a hookup.
Idiot, stupid girl.
See wetin they do.
After 300k, you know.
You have scattered marriage. I built hard for. Marriage I suffered. And this is what you're telling me.
They punish you. God will not punish me. God will not punish me. God will not punish me.
I want you to carry
Me and my wife.
Thunder will fire two of you.
I want you to carry police and arrest her.
They see your husband.
It's not like that.
They
I know you love me. It's not like that.
You know you love who?
It's not like
What
that.
is it not like that? What is it not like that? You've been doing behind my back with different things.
They want to
But
scatter
what everybody
I know I'll beat you. I know I'll beat you.
Hold on, I'll call you back. You shall Your husband asked us to set you up.
And with that, why did you ask for my
Because you are so ungrateful. You are so ungrateful.
Are you in my marriage? Are you in my marriage?
You even a child 300k. For man, we don't do it. See, I go slap you.
I will slap you.
I go slap you.
I will
slap you. Who want to record and send it to your husband? Who want to send it to your husband?
You want to destroy my marriage?
You want to send it to your
You want to
husband?
destroy marriage I built her for? It will not work.
You wish I should
My husband love me so much. It will not work.
see money where you dey eat. See money where you dey make. See money where you dey make. The money wey you count. Stand up.
I know what you You get up. You get
up.
Stop record. What kind of nonsense?
I don't want
I go flog you.
Calm down.
What's the meaning of all this rubbish?
Can't transfer my money back. You don't respect
I cannot do transfer.
He said cannot do it.
I cannot do transfer.
Na their hand go touch you.
I cannot do transfer.
I said na their hand go touch
I
you.
cannot do
You
transfer.
said you cannot do transfer. Give me that phone. Take.
I cannot do transfer.
You say what?
So I will lose my husband. I will lose my money.
Upon all the 300k wey they charge, they even fit buy better phone for you. I know say the phone wey your husband give you.
For me,
Man, leave am for you. No fit buy better phone for yourself.
So if you don't have work in this Asaba, you come here and loyalty brand.
Hottest precious of my Asaba. Freshy baby. Even serve 20 minutes. She get married. You get marriage? Transfer my money back, Jare. Come on,
I can't lose everything. I cannot lose everything. I cannot lose everything. I should transfer to an agent to you. And after you scattered marriage, I built her.
You scatter it by yourself now. I don't understand.
no be scatter your marriage.
Man.
Come,
I bet do this.
see, jack your face up.
Your
husband
Why you not recording this?
Your husband dey give you money.
Is it your business?
Wetin dey use the
So I
money?
want to do side hustle to see your business.
Wetin dey use the money?
Is it your business?
Side what?
You
Okay,
are
when this side
so
hustle-
jobless.
You are so jobless.
You are jobless.
After 3,000.
Wait first.
My husband will say that you have the guts to come into hotel to embarrass me.
Your husband even tell you say you talk say you wan make hair. He send you almost 500. Where the hair wey he make?
Is it your business?
Wait till na the hair be this.
It's not your business.
The hair wey dey grow. Sit down there. The hair wey you tell your husband collect almost 500k to make it. Na the hair.
Is it your husband? That is why it's called my husband.
Okay, that's why it's called your husband. You even